Hey guys, it's your girl Lala. Welcome to my mini guava and cactus fruit harvest. Look at my guava. Look at my guava, guys. I'm gonna get it. Whoa. Look at this guava. It's almost ripe. But I picked it off already. And I have so much more. Look at these. Look at these, guys. Wow. And look how many baby ones I have here. See them? Lots more baby guava coming up. Look at this one right there. Wow. I'm so happy. Yay. I got a guava. Guys, I just picked this little cactus fruit off. I'm gonna try it. I mean, I've purchased the bigger ones in the store. I've never eaten one from this plant. So I'm gonna try this little fruit.